Labor Office, Labor Department, and that report has not been supplied to us. And today is the last date, madam. I filed the writ petition on 3rd, and 7 days notice period has been given. Today it is expiring, madam.
All right.
Deeply obliged.
It please, your lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for non-listing of writ petition, lordship, for admission. Lordship, any date?
Admission. February. 2nd of February.
Lordship, oblige, your lordship.
May I brief? This is a contempt matter, my lord. It was filed long when notice was issued only regarding settlement of market, my lord. So might it may come on Friday, my lord.
Bench 4.
Bench 4. Oh, sorry.
Lordship, I'm praying for a listing of a matter for withdrawal on the day after tomorrow, Lord. Much obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Lordship. I have a instruction to withdraw this case, Lordship. Item number 5.
WPC 6121.
WPC 6121.
Item 5 on the, your Mr.
B. Haldar, Lordship.
Mr. B. Haldar, learned counsel for the petitioner on instruction submits that the petitioner does not wish to press the petition any further. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. Orders, if any, stand vacated, pending lies are also dismissed. Mr. N. Goswami for the respondents.
4, lordship, yes.
Respondent 4.
Highly ordered.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, I beg to mention on writ petition for listing in motion column, lordship. Can it be on Wednesday, lordship?
When was it filed?
It was filed on 30/12/2025.
Wednesday.
Oblige.
May it please, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 30 of the daily list, my lord. My lord, here I am praying for 1 week time to file our affidavit, my lord.
You've taken consent of the respondents.
My lord, petitioner, my lord.
Petitioner.
My lord.
What is the matter about?
My cancellation of GST registration, my lord.
So some orders have already been passed. We can close the matter.
My lord, I'm here under the instruction of standing counsel, Mr. B. Chaudhary, my lord.
We wait for the matter to be called up.
My lord.
May I please, your lordships, item number 18, lordship. Well, the list of a vacation, lordship. Mr. S. Rana is the out of the station.
Item 18 on the request made by the, on behalf of Mr. S. Rana, matter stands deferred to be listed after 4 weeks.
Diploma.
May it
Yes.
please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing one of writ petition for admission. Lordship matter may be listed on Wednesday.
Admission matter.
Yes, lordship.
Not Wednesday.
Wait, Friday. Lordship.
19 January.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition, lordship, for tomorrow, lordship, for motion.
Where?
Lordship, there is a bit urgency, lordship. Recovery proceeding has been initiated, lordship, and
Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow.
nice, lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, lordship.
15.
Yes.
50.
15.
15. Yes.
My senior is having some difficulty, lordship.
You're mentioning on whose behalf?
A. Sharma, lordship. 1 and 2, respondent number 1.
And have you taken consent of
Yes,
the council?
with consent, lordship.
Your name?
K. Majumdar, lordship.
Mr. K. Muzumdar, appearing on behalf of APDCL.
Oil, lordship.
Item number 15.
Yes, lordship.
15 appears to be APDCL.
APDCL, lordship. So APDCL is a question.
Are you sure it is this court?
Motoring. Sorry, lordship.
Agreement, arbitration clause at page 29, Lordship. The development agreement in between the petitioner and
20,
page 29. Clause 28.
heard counsel for parties, issue notice within 4 weeks. Steps on respondents. Respondent by raised speed post as well as usual course. List after returnable date.
Public.
None appears, the petitioner in the matter is called. None appears,
It's coming.
none, now you are appearing.
I have the instruction to withdraw this.
Mr. D. Sharma,
Yes, your
learned counsel to the petitioner, submits on instructions that the writ petitioner does not wish to press the petition any further, accordingly seeks to withdraw the same. The petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. Pending interim orders, if any, stands vacated, pending IAs are also dismissed. Mr. N. Goswami and G. Hazarika appears for respondents.
Item 3.
May I plead in motion. Lordship, in this case, the present IA has filed for pleading the private respondent number as respondent number 6, my lord. Which is the important party of this case.
Heard. In the IA, Mr. M.U. Amit, learned counsel for the petitioner, stop in deference to the order dated 18/8/2025, passed in WPC 4641 of 2025. Whereby the petitioner was granted liberty to file an application seeking impleadment of his wife, who he claims he had since divorced pursuant to a deed of agreement. So accordingly, this IA has been filed seeking impleadment. Any objections?
No, no.
The respondents represented by Mr. N. Goswami and Ms. G. Hazarika. You're appearing for
And for 2, Lord. That's for number 2.
G. Hazarika for 2 and Mr. N. Goswami for 1, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4, and
Five.
5.
Does not object to the prayer made. Since this court had, by the earlier order dated 18/8/2025, had already expressed a view that the wife is not a party respondent and had granted the petitioner liberty to implead the wife as a party respondent. And as a consequence thereof, the IA has been filed accordingly. This IA stands allowed. The opposite party number 6, page number 4, number beginning. He is added as party respondent number 6 in WPC 4641 of 2025. The petitioner will file amended course title before the registry within 2 weeks, and the matter and the petition be listed thereafter. IA accordingly stands allowed and disposed of. The petition you write, in view of the order passed today in IA number so-and-so, MS so-and-so, is added as party respondent number 6. Stop petitioner is permitted to file amended course title within 2 weeks. And the matter be listed by the registry thereafter. Copy of the order passed in the IE be also retained in the case records of WPC number so and so.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 4.
No, Your Lordship, here, this is father of the petitioner, Your Lordship, maintaining LIC policy, Your Lordship, at the office of respondent number 5, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, being abandoned child, Your Lordship, because this is further solemnized marriage, second marriage, Your Lordship, with respondent number 6. So you have been drove out from that house, Your Lordship. We don't have any details of the LIC policy, Your Lordship. We paid before the respondent number, office of the respondent number 5 to disburse the amount, Your Lordship. They even denied to give us the details of.
You're claiming the you're making the insurance claim on the basis that you are the son.
Son. The legitimate son of Ganesh Chandra Bonian, namely. He died, Your Lordship, on 21 May 2022, Your Lordship.
On what basis are you making the claim?
Because I'm the legitimate son of the Ganesh Chandra Bonia, Your Lordship. And I have the knowledge, Your Lordship. I am sure that I have this is further have a policy, Your Lordship, at the office of the respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
No, but what material are you placing before the court that you are a child? Birth certificate? Something to show your connection?
Lordship may allow me to file an additional affidavit so that I can drag all these things on record, Your Lordship. Because otherwise the representations are there, Your Lordship.
No,
Before-
representation is all right, but you're
Yes,
making a
Lordship.
claim that you're the son.
Lordship may kindly allow me a date so that I can file additional affidavit by bringing all these things on record.
Counsel for the petitioner, prayed for 3 weeks' time to file additional affidavit to bring on record certain documents in order to support the claim of the petitioner that he is the legitimate son of the petitioner. List after 3 weeks.
Much.
Item 6.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, in action of the respondent number 2, my lord, regarding issuance of regular patta, my lord. Already, my lord, issued a ceiling patta, my lord, annexure 1, page 9, my lord. Now petitioner get entitled to gets, my lord, regular patta, my lord, and not to issue. My lord.
Huh?
Petitioner praying for a regular patta of this land, my lord.
Before whom?
Respondent number 2, my lord.
Respondent. Where is your application?
Yes, my lord. Page 17, my lord, annexure 5, my lord.
(2014).
My lord, thereafter, another also submitted, my lord. I have not anything this, my lord.
Huh?
After 14, my lord, petitioners, I think 2015, another representation submitted, my lord.
Who filed the other writ petition? Page number 19.
Similar situated person, my lord, same village, my lord.
So what has happened to the writ petition? Is it pending?
Yes, my lord. That is.
Yes, Mr. Talukdar.
I'll have to take instructions also.
To-
Because that allotment was made in 1976. Thereafter, probably they have not.
Should we issue notice? Or counsel for parties issue notice. Returnable 4 weeks. Mr. Mehdi,
Yes, sir.
what is your full name?
PK Mehdi, Lordship.
PK Mehdi. Appears for respondent
2 and 3, Lordship.
2 and 3 accepts, appears and accepts notice on behalf of respondent 2 and 3. MSG Hazarika for respondent number 1. Mr. Respondents 2 and 3 are represented by Mr. B. Talukdar, Senior Counsel, who submits that instructions would be necessary in this case. Accordingly, let the matter be listed after returnable date, by which time the respondents will complete their instructions. Extra copies be furnished within 3 working days.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Seven, are you? 7, 9, 10. What do you upper looking list?
Item 8.
Let's, I'm in item 7 and 9, Your Lordship.
We'll call up your matters after 17. We'll call
Let's
up,
both the matters.
we'll call up your matters after the completion of the other matters, which
So
is
grateful, Lordship. So
item-
grateful.
Yes.
So grateful, Lordship.
Item 8.
Maybe we'll have episode.
Item 11. Item number 11.
Matter. On the page, no, if you want to.
12.
My lord, item 12, 13 and 14, my lord, are covered matters, my lord. This is the order, my lord, pertains to the same land and same village, my lord.
Mr. Who's be the respondent here? Forest.
Forest.
Are you aware of this order?
Yes, my lord. This can be applied here.
Similar order.
Similar.
Okay. Disposed similar order. These item numbers
12, 13 and 14.
12, 13, 14. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 15.
May it please your lordship. This is with regard to fair compensation, lordship. The grievance of the petitioner is such, lordship, that the petition is the installation of high voltage transmission line within the patta land of the petitioner has permanently made petitioner's land unsafe and unusable for any kind of development. However, small portion of amount for the Jirat value has been awarded, which is disproportionate to the damage caused to the petitioner. So at this stage, may I pray?
Yes, respondents, anything?
We have been wrongly implicated as a party in this matter. This is a power grid matter, Your Lordship.
Oh. Who's for power grid?
Perhaps Mr. A. Das will take notice. He appears. Arnab Das.
Can you inform Mr. A. Das?
Is a power grid is a party here,
Oh, yes, their names are not reflected in the cause list.
but they are the party, lordship.
We'll call up A. Das, standing council power grid. APDCL is not a party.
Is a party, but perhaps we are not a necessary party in
Not a
this.
necessary party.
We are not a necessary party.
Are they necessary parties here? Your claim is towards against Power Grid.
Power Grid as well as the Lordship, APTCL also has to decide.
We don't have to decide anything, my lord.
We'll call it up.
Very well.
Mr. Daskar.
Oblige.
16.
Lordship, can this matter be tomorrow again? Today,
Day after,
a day after, yeah.
then item number
Showing his name, Lordship.
15 be listed day after. The registry will reflect the name of Mr. A. Das, Standing Counsel, Power Grid Corporation. There is the claim of the writ petitioner is in respect of adequate compensation to be paid by the Power Grid. List accordingly. Therefore,
They have to serve the copy to him.
we don't know, we'll see. Yes.
Item 16.
May please your lordships, the limited prayer lordship, the is page 31 lordship. Only for direction to the authority to receive the rent amount lordship. Rent amount. The
Rent
petition
amount.
lordship.
Why are they not receiving it?
I do not, I lordship, the petition submitted the application lordship.
Let them get instructions, sir.
Let the notice be issued, Lordship, it is better.
Notice.
Lordship, only dispose of the.
My lord, why, my lord, they have not
representation.
been taken is, my lord, rent, my lord, there must be a reason, Lordship. So we have to obtain instruction and the Lordship, and notice be issued, Lordship, I can.
Right, had the council for ethics issue notice, returning of 4 weeks. Mr. J. Hendick.
For 2 and 3, Lordship.
Appears for respondents 2 and 3, Ms. G. Hazarika for respondent number 1. Since the respondents are represented, notices are waived, extra copies will be furnished within period of 1 week from today. At least after the returnable date.
Oblige, Lordship.
17.
Make visual loss. One of the order which has been assailed, it's not an order, my lord, it's a letter at page 38. The petitioner before your lordship, my lord, is a tea estate at Rani, my lord. And your lordship knows, my lord, that area is full of wild elephants. And there is some fencing and some parts of the, my lord, boundaries of the tea estate. Now, my lord, this report, may I read it, my lord, page 38? To the tea garden manager, the gardens under Borkhapara, Pani Sanda area, Rani. Report regarding installation of barbed wire fencing in tea garden. On 4/12/2025, we, that is the employees of Sajanpara Block Forest Office, went for patrolling the tea gardens under Borkhapara, Pani Sanda area. While we were patrolling, we saw installation of few barbed wire fencing inside the garden, and the said fencing is very dangerous to elephants and other animals. And we, on behalf of the Forest Department, intimated the garden authorities as well as the employees of the garden for removing the barbed wire fencing immediately. Now, my lord, the question is, my lord, this is the land of the tea estate, and my lord, we have the right to have the fencing, although, my lord, entire area is not fenced. At this stage, I pray for a notice only.
But if it is a right, it's an animal corridor.
My lord,
If it is an animal corridor through your garden.
yes.
Then you'll have.
Then the thing will be different, my lord. It's not the case that, my lord, there is an elephant corridor through the, my lord, garden.
We don't know, but this is what the forest department says. Who's the forest council? Let them obtain some instructions here.
Yes, right. After this, my lord, nothing has happened really, my lord. That they tried to remove it. It's not that. That's why, my lord, only notice or instructions will suffice. And, my lord, that concept of, my lord, animal corridor, that is a misnomer, my lord. Your lordship was saying the other day, my lord, 7 or 8 elephants died, and my lord, the forest, the animal lovers say, my lord, they roam around in different places. So anyway, that's a different thing altogether.
No, therefore we want a report from the forest department.
Let them have.
You're for the forest.
No, sir.
Please get your instructions as to whether this is an animal corridor for elephants
No, sir.
across the garden. Do you have a copy of the petition?
Yes, sir.
You come to page number 38. This is a report of your forest department.
No, sir.
Get instructions as to on what basis this report has been issued and what steps have been taken, if any.
No, sir.
Heard Mr. M. K. Chaudhary, Learner Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. P. Bharadwaj. The petitioner before the court is a tea garden situated in the
Rani
area mentioned in the course title of the writ petition. The grievance of the petitioner is that a notice has been issued on 4/12/2025 by the forest department directing the tea garden manager to remove a barbed wire fencing inside the garden, that on the ground that this fencing is dangerous to elephants and other animals. So, Learned Senior Counsel submits that the fencing, as it appears from the notice, the fencing is within the garden area, and therefore the tea garden authorities are within their rights to secure the land belonging to the tea garden, which is used for tea cultivation. If the area is not secured, then the crop is likely to be damaged by stray animals coming from various nearby areas. Stop. Being agreed, the present petition has been filed. But at this stage, the court is of the view that instructions be obtained by the Standing Counsel Forest Department, Mr. Aikolita, as to the basis on which the notice enclosed as Annexure 7 was issued to the tea garden manager. So, although notices are not issued, extra copies be furnished to all the standing councils and government advocates representing the respondents. Mr. J. Hendick for
5, 6, and 7.
for respondents 5, 6, and 7.
6 and 7.
4 and 6 only. Or 6 and 7.
6 and 7.
6 and 7.
And Mr. Kolita for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. List after 2 weeks.
I'll have a list.
Always.
Typing item 8.
Yes.
My lord, here, the matter is the petitioner run a CSP, customer service fund, under Airtel Payment Bank Limited. It's a banking service, my lord. And my lord, petitioner received a notice that the impaired notice your lordship find page number 146, my lord, from the my lord Cybercrime Police Station, North Division, Bangalore, my lord. In connection with a case, my lord, wherein my lord, the petitioner has no nexus, neither any allegation was made against the petitioner, nor any details was given against the in respect of the petitioner as to why the petitioner was called to the Cybercrime Police Station at Bangalore. Only, my lord, one case number was there. Your lordship will find page number 146, my lord. Petitioner is a resident of Mankashwar, my lord, Assam, my lord, and he was called to my lord Bangalore without, my lord, giving anything details against the petitioner that what transition done by the petitioner was, my lord, found to be suspicious, my lord. That is the case here. And lordship will find, my lord, Annexure 2, my lord. This is the, my lord, authorized banking point it is the authorization to the petitioner to run the banking services in the rural areas of the petitioner. And Annexure 3, it is the bank statement of the petitioner, the entire bank statement, bank transaction done by the petitioner during his banking service. So, at this is my prayer is to stay the indoor notice.
No, why should we stay it? Have you responded to this notice?
No, it is very difficult to appear before Bangalore,
At least you can find out why, on what basis the notice has been issued, why you are involved, why your presence is secured.
Yes, that no details is there,
So you have to approach the authorities, maybe file a representation to find out what is the reason why you are being called for.
Then Lordship may keep the matter pending. In the meantime, I will make one application before the authorities at Bangalore through registered post, and I will require the details as to why I was called to Bangalore.
You withdraw it and file it afresh.
Lordship may keep it pending.
Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks some further time to complete his instruction with regard to whether the petitioner had made 5 representations before the authority in Bangalore, requiring him to appear before in connection with the case mentioned therein. He prays for 4 weeks. After 4 weeks.
Hello, Rasul.
Timing I think 11.
11.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. None appears for the. None had appeared for the petitioner when the matter was called on last 17/12/29. List again. Matter stands passed over.
Item 7.
May I please, Your Lordships?
Yes.
Well, it's in this particular matter, on 7th of November, Your Lordships directed us to place on record the instances wherein the vehicle was ordered to be recovered. I have placed on record the details, and annexure P9 at page 79, if Your Lordships may see with the main petition, and page 87, I have reproduced the orders passed by Your Lordships in identical matters, wherein Your Lordships have protected us. Annexure P9 at page 79. This is 24th of July 2024 order. Identical matter. Page 79. Annexure P9.
Yes.
It's identical. Petitioner is similarly placed. If not, may kindly pass the same order. Similar controversies involved in this matter as well.
But why have you not cleared the amounts?
Well, it is not a house. It is a commercial vehicle. And I have paid substantial loan amount, more than 19 lakh rupees. Even then, they are resorting to forcible recovery. And if my lords may kindly see another matter, which is before your lordships at item number 9, my lords, the matter was pending before your lordships. And despite the fact that they were aware, they recovered the vehicle forcibly. That is Chotu Kumar's case. My lords may kindly see the audacity with which they are functioning. Despite the fact that we were asked to give a copy to SDFC Council, we gave the copy. The matter was listed on 12th, and on 15th, the vehicle was recovered from Nagaon. This is Mullad's.
Who is appearing for the bank?
Mullad's, I am not aware as to, because the respondents in connected matter is yet to put in appearance. But in.
Yes. Mr. Talukdar, are you appearing in the matter?
I'm appearing for the state.
State.
We have.
Earlier, Mr. M. Sharma was there. Is there a local counsel here for you?
Yes, Mr. Akhirul Islam is there, Manoj. He is there in the court. He just apprised me that.
Have you served on the bank counsel?
No.
Have you served copies on the counsel for the bank?
Yes, Lordship.
Who is the counsel?
We are sent to the registered post, Lordship.
Plus the concerned counsel for the bank refused to accept the copy, so we sent it by way of a registered post.
All right, but you're Mr.
I'm Karan Bharadwaj, Your Lordships.
Mr. K. Bharadwaj, learned counsel to the petitioner, and Mr. B.J. Talukdar, representing the respondents 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also a commercial vehicle.
Yes, Your Lordships, it is.
What is the vehicle number?
My Lords, the vehicle number is, Your Lordships may kindly have. My Lords. Given the details in para 4, this is NL 01 AG 2859.
All right. After 4 weeks. You
Plus
take-
interim be granted, my Lords, to similar terms. my Lords.
Yes, yes. After 4 weeks. List on 6th of February. Interim to continue till the next date fixed.
Great. Lords, item 9 also, my Lords, may kindly have it.
Similar matters.
My Lords, item 9, my Lords, is slightly different. In this case, my Lords, we approached this Honorable Court. The matter was pending. The Honorable Court said that you please supply copy to the HDFC Council. We asked the council to please accept the copy. However, he must not have instructions. He did not receive the copy. We sent it by a registered post. That was done on 12th of December. Despite the fact that they were aware that we were before this Honorable Court, on 15th of December, the vehicle was forcibly recovered by their
Then
recovery agents, Your Lordships.
let it come along with the other matters. We'll have to hear the matter.
Please, Your Lordships, my Lords, they may be directed not to alienate the vehicle, because in these type of matters, we've seen that the bank immediately sells it at some throwaway prices to near dear ones of the managers, my Lords.
No, but where is your instruction that it has not been alienated as yet?
My Lords, that my Lords, has not been done, because I have checked the Vahan portal and the vehicle still stands registered on my name. My Lords, but whatever they do is they create third-party rights, so that is the difficulty. And it is a forcible recovery, Your Lordships, that Lordships have also...
Where have you stated that? Have you brought it on record?
My Lords, this regarding Vahan thing, I checked up last evening while I was preparing for the matter, but the application was filed on 22nd of December itself.
The council, the
Please.
fact that the vehicle was seized when the
Yes,
matter-
Yes, that Your Lordships, we have filed an application. My local counsel, Mr. Akhirul, has informed me that the application is listed. However, because there were vacations and the court opened today, it has not been tagged with the present matter.
Then we'll have to.
My Lords, but they have recovered it for sure, my Lords. That is there. The application is numbered also. Somehow, because of vacations, it has not come.
Let it come day after tomorrow or on Friday, we'll see.
So grateful, my Lords. Item 10 is similar, my Lords.
Item 9 to be listed on Friday on the as it is submitted that an IA which was filed by the petitioner is although numbered is not listed.
So
It's the IA with the red petition. And what is item 10?
My Lords, 10 is identical matter, my Lords, as 7, my Lords.
All right. Okay.
Grateful, Lordships. I'm extremely grateful.
7 and 10. Similar. Okay.
For order 35.
Grateful, Lordships.
Does this matter come up next week along with the review petition 223 of 25 Lordship?
It is submitted by the council to the petitioner. Similar, another petition. Another review petition against the said order.
Lordship.
Against the same order is presently pending. And therefore, it is submitted that both the review petitions be listed together. Accordingly, review petition, this review petition be listed along with review petition number
223 of 2025.
Lordship. Of
2025.
2025. Matter be listed on 19th.
Lordship, let it be 23, Lordship.
23 is not there. 28th.
Lordship. Obliged.
Item 20.
Item 20, we are the petitioner, we have filed our interplay application, my lord, for deletion of our name from the party.
You are for?
I am for a Bharti Airtel Limited, my lord, item 20. We have filed a interplay application for deletion.
Yes, you are for the petitioner.
I'm in person petitioner also.
You are in person.
Lots.
Okay. Yes.
Notice is deemed to be served to all the parties.
Is there any objection to the IA that has been filed for deleting their names?
It is basically because of the network, why the Bharti Airtel is here. Maybe it can be deleted, Lordship. Otherwise, then if there is a denial from the respondent number 6 in 678, in that case, Lordship, Bharti Airtel will be required.
You make up your mind and tell us. We'll issue notice on the IA.
Yes,
If you have any objections, you file.
Because in the entire petition, there is no whisper, no allegation against the Airtel.
So we'll issue notice in the IA.
And they have already filed a civil suit for recovery of the amount with the same relief before, and it is citing in the evidence stills. And there also we have not been arraigned as a party.
All right, we'll hear it. Heard. Mr.
S.
Sharma, learned counsel for the applicant, Mr. N. Deka, petitioner in person. In WPC 1520/25. So the present IA has been filed by the applicant seeking deletion of their names from the array of respondents in WPC number 1520/2025. Where the petitioner in person would like to file his objections. Accordingly, notice is issued, returnable 3 weeks. Since the petitioner is in person, is already before the court, notices are waived. However, extra copies be furnished within 1 week from today. And anyone else?
I am appearing in the main case for respondent 5, reserving.
Mr.
E. Hazarika.
E. Hazarika appears, P. Hazarika appears for respondent number 5
The main case.
in WPC number so and so.
Lordship, for respondent number 6 to 9, your Lordship, I am appearing Mr. W. Sharma.
Mr.
W. Sharma, Lordship.
W. Sharma appears for respondents 6 to 9.
6 to 9, your Lordship.
6 to 9.
Lordship, I have one more prayer, Lordship. My senior's name, Mr. A.K. Saiwala, his name has not been reflected in the cause list, Lordship. That can be reflected.
Names of all councils. Council be reflected in the cause list by the registry.
9.
Respondent 9.
6 to 8.
Huh? 9. You are appearing for whom? Mr. Sharma?
For 6 to 9, I am there, Lordship.
9 is SBI.
Sir, SBI claim was. Lordship, we will clarify it, Lordship.
You clarify. We are recording his name for the time being.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, I have not received the copy of the IA yet.
Yes, yes, you serve copies. Serve copies.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
21.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, this is an implement application, Lordship, filed by the applicants for the purpose of apprising this honorable court regarding the correct factual position of the case. So far as the writ petitioner is concerned,
You are
Lordship,
for the applicants.
I am for the applicant, Lordship. We have proposing before
Who is
this
for the writ petitioner.
writ petitioner, Lordship, name has been reflected over the cost list. Probably.
Who are you?
Lordship, I am the applicant, and my case is that, Lordship, the land in respect to which the writ petitioners have approached before this honorable court, if your Lordship peruses para number 4 of my IA, of my application, Lordship, where I have made my pleadings, the said plot of land is immediately contiguous to the applicant's plot of land. Lordship, we are the owners of the plot of land which we have purchased way back in the year of 2005. Now, dark number 679, the state authorities have initiated the eviction proceedings, Lordship. Now, your Lordship, now the dark number 679, Lordship, which is the disputed land in question before this honorable court, forms the northern part of my boundary. Therefore, my access on the northern side has been completely blocked. In this situation, Lordship, last year, in the year of 2025, January itself, I filed several representations before the state authorities apprising regarding such unlawful occupation for which my approach road has been blocked, but we were not being, Lordship, being communicated regarding any such measures if taken by the state authorities. And Lordship, they have also filed one suit which they have implemented the applicant number 1 as defendant before this Civil Judge Junior Division at Kamrup Metro, Guwahati, and this fact was in fact suppressed in the writ petition. So my humble prayer is that, Lordship, for the purpose of apprising the correct factual position of the case, the applicants may be allowed to be implemented in the application, in the said writ petition.
You are supporting the respondents department.
Yes, Lordship. Because I am affected along with the persons who are residing in that said locality, Lordship.
Is your name?
P. Das, Lordship.
P. Das. Appearing for the applicant in IA number 3839 of 2025. So this IA has been filed seeking implement as party respondent in WPC number 339 of 2025. So this filed by the opposite party with petition. Stop. The petitioners claim to be in the claim to have purchased and is in possession of a land which is adjacent to the land stated to be in possession of the writ petitioner covered by DAG number
679, Lordship.
679 of Jalukbari Moza Revenue Village, Poragaon, under Guwahati Revenue Circle in the district of Kamrup Metro. So the writ petitioner has approached his court, putting a challenge to the notice issued by the circle officer, notice dated 5/6/25 issued by the circle officer, seeking eviction of the writ petitioner from the said plot of land. Stop. Counsel for the applicant submits that the plot of land claimed to have been under possession of the writ petitioner has prevented petitioner and other residents of that area for ingress and egress to their respective lands. And therefore, the applicants submit that being owners of the adjacent land of tag number 679 of so and so, they are a necessary party as certain materials and facts have not been properly placed by the petitioner before this court. So, At this stage, the court considers it appropriate to issue notice in the IA. Accordingly, get the notice issued. The returnable 4 weeks. Mr. DJ Talukdar appears on behalf of the revenue, sorry, which department?
One.
PR Monroe appears for respondent 1. Mr. Mehdi appears for respondent 2 and 3. The petitioner is not present before the court. Therefore, the applicant, the applicant in the IA will ensure steps by speed post as well as visual course and dusty routed through the office of the, routed through the registry of the court within 2 weeks. So the opposite party writ petitioner is also permitted to file their objections if any in the meantime, list after the return of it.
Item 22.
May it please your lordship. When I was a writ petition, I am the writ petitioner, and there's a stay order operating. The other side has filed an application for vacating that interim order. It has come for the first time. And we have also filed the reply, in the process of filing a reply, we have served the copies, I'm told, of the affidavits to the applications, my lord. So I pray the matter comes.
Objections to the affidavit.
Affidavits, all we have, in the process, we have served the copies.
In the IA also.
In the IA also. So the matter may be listed after.
You are seeking vacation of which order?
Yes, sir.
2910.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Heard Mr. S. Islam.
Yes, sir.
That's all. For the applicant, Mr. Banik appearing for the writ petitioner opposite party. So this IA has been filed seeking vacating modification or
1910.
Modification of the order dated 2910.
1910, madam.
What?
1910.
Where is that order?
Well, it pays 20, madam. The IA, madam.
It's 2910.
2019. 2019, madam.
The interim order was also extended in their presence on 26th of November.
Who has filed the IA?
Well, it is. I had filed.
You have filed the IA seeking vacating of which order?
Well, it pays 20, madam.
Page 20 is the course title.
Yes, madam. This is the order, madam, interim order, madam.
Where? Take
Order
us to the
dated
operative part.
2910, madam.
Huh?
2019, madam.
That is what we asked you. You said 1910.
2019, madam. Sorry, madam.
Seeking vacating modification of the order dated 2910-2025, passed in WPC number 7. Param Mr. Bonik, on the other end, admits that upon being served with a copy of the IA, he has already taken steps to file the objections. Before, in the IA.
As well as in the writ petition.
He has also filed affidavits.
Not fine. In the process of filing, we have
He has
served
also
copies.
taken steps to file affidavits in the writ petition.
With my
Stop.
reply.
According, this court is of the view that the objections having been filed before the court, at this stage, notice be issued in the IA. Let notice issue returnable on 30 January.
Could it be prior to that or maybe 2nd, 3rd February?
2nd February.
2nd February.
Well.
2nd February. Stop registry. The opposite party writ petitioner will ensure that the objections, the steps for filing the objections are undertaken before the next date.
Right.
This thing.
And would my lord be pleased to kindly observe by my submission, my lord, that on 26 November 2025, an inter-party order was passed whereby the interim order was extended.
Where is that?
That order is on 26th of November. That's not here, that's in the main file, my lord.
It was an ex-party order.
Inter-party order. 2611 was an inter-party order.
No, initially.
Initially ex-parte order.
Initially, it was expert.
We served notice, they came, and then it was extended in their presence. That observation, that submission.
Need not be, you will remind us
Lordship.
on the next date.
Right. Grateful. The interim order to continue.
Interim order passed earlier. We will.
Obliged.
Next week next.
Right.
23.
With please, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, we have filed IA to implement Director of Health Services as a party, lordship.
Where?
Lordship, in this matter, the issue is regarding medical reimbursement claim, and lordship, the Director of Health Services is a necessary party, lordship, and is directly involved in the process of sanctioning and releasing medical reimbursement claim of the government employees, lordship.
Why did you not make him a party when at the time of filing the writ petition? Why? Heard counsel for parties. Yes, any objection by the respondents? Who's for the medical department, health department? We'll issue notice here. Heard counsel for parties issue notice. Written over 4 weeks. This IA has been filed seeking infringement of the Director of Health Service
Lordship, Director of Health.
as the party respondent in WPC number so and so. MS
B-Tech.
B-Tech IPS for elementary.
Element 1 and 3.
A Botakur for finance. We are issuing notice.
My lord.
We'll see. On the respondents also. Opposite party. Mr. H. Borwa appears for the opposite party, which is sought to be implemented by the present IA. Objections, if any, may be filed within 2 weeks. Let's take it accordingly. Extra copies be furnished within the course of the day.
That is 24.
Filed an IMI. Now, so in this matter, my lord, the petitioner filed a writ petition before the Honorable High Court, my lord, that the national highway, while over widening the road, my lord, required some land, my lord. Then the petitioners made the respondent, private respondent, they are the co-pattadas, my lord. Now matter is compromised, my lord, according to between the parties, my lord, and then we have filed the petition for modification of the interim order, my lord.
Who is for the petitioner?
Petitioners NH Borbuya and some others.
Then where is the petitioner? Mr.
J.U. Laskar, my lord.
J.U. Laskar appears for the applicant.
Six.
There is also Mr. B.J. Talukdar
6 and 7.
appearing for
6 and 7.
6 and 7. And Mr. C. Borua for
Three, my lord.
respondent 3. MSPR Monto for respondent number 3. However, the counsel for the petitioner is not present before the court. Let this matter therefore be listed again. After 1 week.
My date kindly make this, my lord. Because our award is not this.
19th January.
Obliged.
To be clarified to no more years.
25.
Let me know. The lordship would be pleased to take IS Civil 4208 of 25.
Yes.
So why this petition? The petitioner wants to strike down respondent number 6.
Who is respondent 6?
Respondent number 6 is I purchased the land, my lord, along with him, but he is nothing to be now role to play.
In the writ petition, what are you challenging?
Well, challenge is this, my lord. Assam Board of Revenue passed an order, my lord. Expertise. I filed a review petition to vacate the expertise. That was not done. So that is the grievance before your lordship, that this expertise order may be vacated. And after hearing me, the order may be passed by the revenue board. That is limited prayer. It is regarding mutation of land.
Necessary put in the report.
Land was mutated in my name, my lord.
You are seeking striking of name of respondent number 6.
Yes, ma'am. By that order, my lord, no benefit has been given to the respondent number 6. It was only to respondent number 1. His name was restored in the.
Mr. Nishi in the IE. Mr. Roy, any objections?
Lordship, he is the applicant in the revenue case, Lordship. Respondent number 6.
Applicant.
Yes.
Applicant for?
In the revenue where he has ex parte order has been passed. Board of Revenue, Lordship. He may be necessary party.
His name is not shown there.
Lordship,
Is it shown?
in 49, page number 49. He is the applicant.
No, my lord, he is somebody else. Appellant is Parijat Dash. Parijat Dash is not respondent number 6. Parijat Das is directly involved. I am not going to strike down him. Appellant is Parijat Das.
And what is there in page number 37?
Is 37.
There is a judgment and order, Lordship. Respondent number 2, Mukul Sharma, whose name he wants to delete.
No, no. He wants to delete respondent 1, I mean, serial number 1.
Serial number.
Respondent 6 is Achyut Kolita.
Achyut Kolita.
Page number 37, it is at serial 1.
Lordship.
And my lord, your lordship, what my learned friend referred, my lord, page 49. That is, appellant is
No, first tell us what is at page 37.
Parijat Das. Yes, my lord. It is the settlement officer's order in my favor, my lord. And that was challenged before Assam Board of Revenue.
Where they were a party, respondent 6 was a party.
Yes.
Before Assam Board of Revenue.
Must be.
He seems to be Dipali Mudoi and others, my lord.
Who's the petitioner?
Dipali Mudoi, my lord.
Ah.
Dipali Mudoi, the petitioner.
Settlement order. In the settlement order, you have the case is against this Achyut Kolita also.
Yes.
Achyut Kolita, my humble submission before your lordship, Achyut Kolita is formal party only. Yeah. Now, my lord, at my risk, my lord, it is strike down. It may be recorded. Because he is not interested in the case. Only, my lord, it will drag the petition. His name may be deleted at my risk. That may be recorded.
No, there is no question of race.
My lord.
Whether
Because,
you-
my lord, he is not interested in the case. He was no doubt made party.
I heard counsel for the parties. This IA has been filed seeking deletion of the name of opposite party number 6, Sri Achyut Kolita. Who is arrayed as respondent number 6 in the BPC number 3039 of 2020. So, counsel for the petitioner submits that the writ petition is directed against the orders passed by the Assam Board of Revenue, as also the order passed by the Assam Board of Revenue is in the review application referred by the petitioner. Stop. It is submitted that in the writ petition, being WPC 3039 of 2020, the present applicant / writ petitioner does not have any claim against the respondent number 6. Stop. Therefore, the respondent 6 name may be deleted from the array of respondents in WPC number so and so. There are Mr. S.S. Roy, learned counsel representing
2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and 4. My name is P.R. Monto for respondent number 1. Does not object to the prayer made. Accordingly, these I stand allowed. Remove Sri Achyut Kolita. Who is arrayed as respondent 6 in WPC number so and so shall stand deleted, and the petitioner will file amended course title before the registry within 2 weeks. I accordingly stand allowed disposed of. In the writ petition, you write in view of the order passed in IA. Respondent 6, 3 so and so is deleted from the array of party respondents. So petitioner will file amended course title before the registry within 2 weeks. Matter be listed thereafter.
My lord, to your lordship, now would be pleased to take the WPC. my lord. By an order dated 8/12/2025, I was directed, I was allowed to take Dosti service on respondent number 7. By registering, my lord, that necessary papers handed over to me, I approached the respondent number 7 also, my lord. Now, my lord, I am to file affidavit regarding Dosti service. So, my lord, my some time may be granted. As on today, I have.
Petitioner is also permitted to file the affidavit of compliance in the Dusty service regarding Dusty service.
My lord. Apology, lordship.
May it please your lordship, in this case, I am appearing for respondent number 6. We have filed our vocal number today, your lordship. I am praying that I may be granted 2 weeks' time to file our counter affidavit, your lordship.
None appears for the petitioner of all, Mr. T. Gilby. Counsel appears and submits that he has instructions to appear on behalf of respondent.
Number 6.
6. And has filed his power today. He prays for 2 weeks' time to file his affidavit. Mr.
I am appearing for 1, 2, and 3, lord.
P. Nayak appears for respondents 1, 2, and 3.
And for 5.
Mr. S.S. Roy for respondent number 5.
Was for respondent number 4.
Your name?
C. Paul.
Sri Paul. Appears for respondent number 4. Let this matter therefore be listed accordingly after 2 weeks.
I am deeply obliged.
For admitted item 27.
And appears Dixon.
Wait, please, your lordships.
Yeah.
My lord, in this matter, lordships, for the other side, lordships, Mr. Dubey appeared on a number of occasions, my lord. He had lordships, he had filed the wakalatnama, but his name is not showing. This is what I have been informed.
It is for him to inform the court.
Lordships. He should have informed to the court, lordships. At least someone should have come. I am again told, lordships, that the wakalatnama that has been filed is on defect, my lord. Therefore, lordships, would urge lordships.
Your Mr.
My lord, P.K. Garodia, my lord.
P.K. Garodia appearing for the petitioner. Mr. Garodia submits that pursuant to notice being issued, the respondent was represented by counsel. However, as per his information, he said wakalatnama stated to have been filed with the respondent has not been cleared by the registry due to defects. So, registry will verify the matter and make necessary and will make necessary report in this regard by the next 8 weeks, list after 2 weeks. Copy of this order we brought to the notice of Registrar Judicial.
Lordships, may I pray one more thing, my lord? If they fail to defect the fail to file the corrected wakalatnama, my lord, can this case be proceeded ex parte, lordships? Because, my lord, this has been.
Let the report come.
Yes, lordships. Obliged, sir.
28.
See, here the petitioner challenged the notification 9/23. The issue is pending before the apex court, lordship. It is expected to be listed on 12th of this month.
Issue is pending before Apex Court.
Lordship. In SLP number 4240/25.
SLP
4240.
None represents the petitioner, Mr. S.V. Kyal. Learned Standing Council GST
Lordship.
submits that the issue raised in the present writ petition is pending before the Supreme Court in SLP 4240 of 2025. He therefore submits that the matter be taken up again after 3 weeks. Prayer made is allowed, list this matter again after 3 weeks. The parties before the court are permitted to apprise the court as to the status of the SLP pending before the Apex Court.
29 is same, Lordship.
29.
Lordship.
I'm getting. Then entry mode in 29, madam.
Interim order passed early will continue. Yes.
Much obliged. Much obliged.
That is Rafi.
Lordship, here, we have sent the affidavit for vetting. Lordship may take it up after the beautification, Lordship.
Mr.
S.K. Shah, Lordship.
S.K. Saha appears for the petitioner. Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council Finance and Taxation submits that the affidavit on behalf of the department is likely to be filed within this week. It raised for 2 weeks' time. List accordingly after 2 weeks.
One.
May it please this, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, in this matter, I'm praying for 1 week time to file our affidavit, my lord.
Hmm?
I'm praying for a week's time to file our affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Mr. H. Borwas, Standing Council, GST,
Finance and Taxation Department, my lord.
Finance and Taxation
On
Department.
behalf of B. Gogoi, my lord.
Raised for a week's time to file the affidavit. Mr.
P.K. Warless.
P.K. Bora appears for the writ petitioner, does not object to the prayer late. List this matter again after 2 weeks.
Bless you. Bless me, lord.
32. 32, Lordship, I need some more time, but I have not received the instruction till yet. I already will talk with the Mala that concerned officer Mala. They are busy in the Mala that new DC has been Mala joined in the Mala that custody. So they asked me for the bring forward some time.
Yes.
I have also similar prayer because this actually, this is. Actually, my Allah is the right authority to decide on what point they've been this. Anyhow, in order is praying, I am also similar prayer.
Mr. B. Purukasto for the petitioner, Mr. J. Hendy, State Council, as well as Mr. C. Borua.
5, 6 and 11.
Standing Council, NHIDCL.
NHIDCL.
Prays for further time to complete their instructions. And you are?
Appearing on behalf of SK Vicky for respondent number 3.
Ms. N. Das appears for respondent number 3. List this matter again after 2 weeks.
Obliged. 33.
May I please your lordship, in this matter, lordship, the petitioner, lordship own and possess a plot of land. In that plot of land, lordship, the petitioner paid for an electricity connection that has not been granted. Accordingly, the petitioner submitted online application and subsequently when this Petitioner approached before this honorable court. This honorable court fight order dated 10-12-2025 made it clear that lordship, there will be no bar to give lordship a temporary electricity connection in accordance with law, but they have not inclined to
Yes.
My lord, on last occasion, I have submitted one objection filed by one Mintu Google, my lord. Perhaps he was the necessary party because as per the, perhaps there is in the second file. The objection.
No, but the court said, the order of the court has confined the notice to only respondent 2, 3, and 4. And there is no bar for the respondent authorities to give temporary connections.
In that case, my lord, we'll grant temporary connection, my lord, as per delete date, my lord.
We have
We have to
approached
verify
lordship,
whether
but
they are in.
they have not inclined.
Who has filed this application?
My lord, Mintu Google, my
Who is Mintu Gogoi?
My lord, he's claiming their claim is that they are trying to occupy their land, my lord, illegally.
No, we have Miadi Patna lordship, we have submitted before this honorable court.
That mutation has been done illegally as per them, my lord. So that is what. I mean, grant them temporary connection, but no problem. Right.
But this you can't submit it like this. You should have
Yes,
put it
madam.
on record. Why have you brought this, submitted it in without an affidavit?
But that is on the first day in motion, my lord. That's why. As per delete, my lord, we can grant electricity connection. But in para 9, my lord, relevant portion.
Yeah.
Electricity connection be broken.
No, lordship, this is the case in case of a tenant lordship. In fact, lordship, this honorable court of Gujarat High Court and Delhi High Court made it clear that in fact there is any dispute of title. In that case also
You are
company
not a tenant.
cannot decide anything.
You are not a tenant.
Yeah, I am not. I am a lordship. In fact, I am the owner and possessor of the land.
Where have you given the documents?
Yes, lordship. Miadi Patna, your lordship will find page number 13. It starts from page number 13. And Jamabandi copy is page number 21.
You file your affidavit.
Well,
We'll give you 2 weeks time. Thereafter, we'll close it.
In the meantime, they may be directed.
That is permissible. Heard counsel for parties, the respondents are permitted to file their objections or affidavits to the claims made by the petitioner. Stop. Considering the claim of the petitioner that he is the owner and possessor of the plot of land as well as the house on the said plot of land. And he is entitled to be considered for grant of grant of electricity connection as prayed for. This court is of the view that at this stage, temporary electric connection be granted to the petitioner, and which, however, will be subject to the further orders of the court. Please this noted again after 2 weeks.
Yes, sir. Highly obliged.
Item 34.
Many appeals for the petitioner on call last month.
My lord, this is for the appointment of arbitrator. Lordship may kindly come to page 55, arbitration clause is there. Clause number 25. And in this case, my lord, the claim is less than 2 crore. So clause number subclause 2 will be applicable for the appointment of sole arbitrator, which is at page 56, my lord. And lordship, the appointing authority is the chief engineer. So now more, it is settled law that the party of the arbitration agreement cannot appoint the arbitrator, irrespective of the other grounds. So here there is no
Yes, Mr.
impediment, my lord, for
It's a kindly page 55 clause 25. There are the pre-arbitral clauses, your lordship. 25, your lordship. Page 55 clause 25. 25 1, your lordship. 25 subclause 1, your lordship. There are the pre-arbitral clauses. May I read, lordship? If the contractor consider any work demanded of him to be outside the requirements of the contract or disputes any drawing, records, or decision given in writings by the engineer in chief. If the engineer in charge considered any act or decision of the contract or on any matter in accord in connection with which or arising out of the contract or carrying out of the work to be unacceptable and is dispute, such party shall promptly within 15 days, your lordship. Within
Alright.
15 days.
Pleadings are complete, we will
Lordship.
keep it on Thursday.
Lordship, after vacation, your lordship, Bihu vacation.
no, my lord, this is old pending case.
Only for appointment.
Yes,
No,
my
lordship,
lord,
no,
2 years
there
have
are the
already passed.
arbitral clauses. He has to first go to the pre-arbitral
That's
clauses.
right, we will examine on day after tomorrow.
Yes.
Sir, lordship, kindly,
Why?
kindly after vacation, sir. I'm
Earlier also it took
lordship,
time, my lord.
All right,
morning as
20
20.
January.
Lordship.
Yes.
Just again on 20 January is agreed to by the council for the parties.
Lordship.
26.
Please, your lordship. I appeared on behalf of Miss A. Guy, your lordship. She is not well, your lordship. Kindly adjourn the matter for 2 weeks.
My lord, appoint for an arbitrator, my lord. If in fact, in my case, my lord has admitted the settled position that the sole arbitrator cannot be appointed by the parties to the agreement. And in my case, in fact, my lord, the pre-arbitral clause of DRB being constituted, everything has happened. And despite that, they have.
There is a prayer for adjournment on the ground of the council.
My lord, I understand, my lord, but then my lord may keep it on if my lord permits on 22nd, my lord. It's my case is covered by
22nd.
yes, my case is covered by Perkins, my lord.
All right. Mr. S.P. Sharma for the petitioner, Mr.
S. Gautam, your lordship.
S. Gautam appears on behalf of the respondent who submits that MSE Gayan, Leonard CGC is indisposed and therefore a prayer is made for accommodation on her behalf as agreed to by both councils. It's lit again on 22nd of January.
Pleasure.
37.
Lordship, here on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3, state GST. Lordship, I have not received any instruction. Lordship, a short period, Lordship.
And what about central?
We have already filed our.
How much time?
Lordship, let it come after vacation.
Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing on behalf of
2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3.
Respondent 1, 2 and 3.
Yes.
Renews his prayer for further time. complete his instructions and file necessary affidavit. Mr. SCKL, on the other end, appearing for respondents number 4 and 5.
Lordship.
Submits that the affidavit on behalf for respondents 4 and 5 has already been filed. Any rejoinder to be filed? Counsel for the petitioner does not object to the prayer made. However, he submits that the matter be listed again immediately after 2 weeks. List on 28th of January.
This is interim order, madam.
Interim order passed earlier will continue till the next week.
Yes. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Now, the notice impugned is in page 19. Now, what has happened? I am a manpower supplier engaged in Assam Legislative Assembly to man the operation of CCTV cameras and gates. But what has happened, pursuant to the work order, I had deployed number of personnels in the Assam Legislative Assembly purely on the basis of contract that was signed by the individual employees. And subsequently, my lord, there was a show cause notice on 19/8/2025, which was issued calling for the respondents to explain whether we have paid the minimum wages act, minimum wages under the Minimum Wages Act. Now that was substantially complied, but we are not challenging the merits of the case. But what has happened in this notice is based on a report which was filed by the Labor Department, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the last para in page 19. And whereas the findings of the Labor Department disclose prima facie gross violation of statutory labor laws, breach of contractual obligations, and submission of fraudulent excess claim to the Secretariat by way of claiming statutory payments not actually disbursed to the workers and false bills claimed in excess of actual manpower deployed. Well, this finding and the report on the basis of which this notice has been issued has not been supplied to us, my lord. And my lord, kindly sees the next page. Therefore, Messrs. So-and-so is hereby called upon to show cause within period of 7 working days from the date of receipt of this notice. But inadvertently, a page has been left out, last page. That email was sent through Outlook, not in the normal Gmail, which was received on 29th of December. This notice is dated 19th of December, but the email was forwarded to us along with the show cause notice on 29th of December. So, my lord, the 7 working days period would end today evening. And my lord,
When did you receive this notice?
29th of December, my lord.
29th.
Yes, my lord.
Through email.
Yes, my lord.
And after that, was there any response asking for the reports?
No, my lord.
Why?
My lord, today, because my lord, kindly see the language, my lord.
No,
Please
no,
note.
you are required to show cause.
Yes, my lord.
Within 7 days, but the notice reflects that there is some report of the Labor Department.
Yes, my lord.
Have you asked for supplying a copy?
No, my lord.
Why?
My lord, kindly see the last para, my lord. My lord, please note that no further opportunity of hearing shall be granted in the event of failure to submit a satisfactory reply.
No,
within
how
the
do you
stipulated
submit a
period.
reply in the absence of this report?
Yes, my lord.
But you've never asked for the report.
But that we have challenged the entire process, my lord, decision-making process.
So
Because-
decision-making process, you are challenging on the ground that this report on the basis of which the show cause has been
Yes,
issued
yes, my lord.
has not been furnished.
My lord.
Now, how do you know what is the content of the report?
Yes, my lord.
You don't know.
Yes, my lord.
Then how would you respond by filing an objection or a reply?
My lord.
But you never asked for it. In
My lord.
spite of being served on 29th
Yes, my
by
lord.
email, you should have
Yes, my lord.
immediately sought for the report.
My lord. But so far as the contents goes, my lord, the inquiry which has taken place by the Labor Department, my lord, and the report which has been relied upon also includes other factors, my lord. Like in page 19,
What is the-
excess claims
What is
to
the
be-
basis of
Yes,
telling, this is a show cause notice.
my lord.
The decision has not yet been taken.
My lord.
It is a show cause. You are
My lord.
required to show cause.
My lord.
Now you have been sitting since 29th, not asking for relevant documents.
My lord.
Issuance of show cause by itself is not illegal.
My
It
lord,
is the process which has been initiated.
I absolutely agree, my lord. But so far as the last para is concerned, my lord, that it shall be presumed in case no satisfactory reply is
So-
concerned and no person opportunity of hearing will be granted.
It's a different issue.
Yes, my lord.
But
So,
why have you not filed the reply since 29th?
my lord,
Since 29th of December, why have you not filed the reply?
so far
We are
as
on
the
5th.
contents of the notice is concerned, thought it that the entire process is vitiated with arbitrariness.
On what basis are you making this statement?
Yes, my lord, because the inquiry which was undertaken by the Labor Department was an independent inquiry under the Minimum
So
Wages
have
Act.
you confronted the department to say that this report on the basis of which
My lord,
you have initiated the show cause, I have not been served a copy. How would I reply?
my lord,
No, you have not done that.
my lord.
Then where is the illegality?
Well, so far as the contents of the notice is concerned,
Contents of the notice, it's a show cause notice. You are called upon to reply.
my lord,
You reply.
my lord. But without any opportunity of hearing and
For
the
that
and the purpose of the notice
Opportunity
is
of hearing, whether necessary, not necessary, will depend on the facts and circumstances. Whether merely personal hearing not being granted, well, is it violative of natural justice? We will look into that. But in the first place, you are called upon to submit a reply.
my lord,
You have not submitted the reply
my lord,
on the ground that this inquiry by the Labour Court, Labour Department is not with you, but you have never asked for it
my lord,
since 29th.
my lord.
And you are now before the court asking for a stay.
My
Why should we stay the proceedings?
My lord, in the meantime, my lord, if we can get the report.
Yes,
that we can-
respondents, anything to submit?
Lordship, I have been served copy just right now, my lord, so I have to take instruction until that no stay be granted, my lord. And he may be given the opportunity to reply, my lord, in the meantime.
Mr.
S. Das, ma'am.
Mr. S. Das, heard Mr. S. Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, as well as MSB Barua.
Lordship, name of my senior may be reflected, my lord, AK Bhuya, my lord.
You are appearing on behalf of AK.
Lordship, he is the standing counsel.
What can be done? A.B. Barua appearing on behalf of AK. Yeah,
On the cause list also, my senior's name may be reflected, my lord.
we'll show that.
Yes,
And Mr. N. Goswami
For three.
appearing for
That's number 3.
respondent 3. B. Barua for
1 and 2. B. Bora, my lord.
Bora for 1 and 2. The petitioner before this court was granted the contract for supply of manpower
Yes, ma'am.
for,
Work order.
where is the work order?
Where's the work order? We have nothing.
Okay, next.
There is no mention of the work order.
My lord, in page 19, first para, my lord.
There is not an averment in the writ petition when you have been served.
Yes, my lord, at para 9, my lord.
Where is the para 9?
Lordship, let him for
Para 9, page
addition.
7, my lord. Para 9, page 7, my
Read
lord.
it, read it.
Now, the petitioners further state and submit that in absence of disclosure of material relied upon in the view of the
No, work order. When were you served
work-
the work order?
work order.
Page 5, para 5.
Yes, my lord. At list of dates may kindly be seen, my lord. List of
The
dates.
petitioner was engaged by the respondent 2 pursuant to work order number so and so para 5 dated 1/7/24 for supply of manpower for CCTV operations and gate management within the premises of the Assam Legislative Assembly Secretariat. Thereafter, on 19/8/2025, the respondent number 2 issued a communication raising certain issues purportedly based on the complaints by deployed personnel that the petitioner has failed to pay the minimum wages to such personnel. Stop. While this matter was pending, the Labor Department had purportedly undertaken a inquiry in which the petitioner was not given an opportunity to participate and submitted the report on 5/12/2025. Stop. On the basis of this inquiry report, the impugned show cause notice dated 19/12/2025 was issued, calling upon the petitioner to show cause within 7 working days from the date of receipt of the notice as to why the following should not be resorted to. Page number 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the show cause notice was served to the petitioner by way of an email which the petitioner claims to have received on 29th of December. Stop. It is the submission of the counsel for the petitioner that the show cause notice does not disclose any reasons other than the report dated 5/12/2025 submitted by the Assistant Labour Commissioner Guwahati as the sole basis for issuance of the impugned show cause notice. Stop. A copy of the said report has not been furnished to the petitioner. Stop. He therefore seeks urgent orders from this court as the period of 7 days expires today. MS Bora B. Bora, learned counsel representing respondents 1 and 2, submits that she has no instructions as this matter is listed today in the production list upon permissions given by the court. She therefore prays for some time to complete her instructions. How much time?
After vacations, my lord. Any day.
Stop. Under such circumstances, it appears to the court that the impugned show cause notice dated 19/12/2025 is premised on the report dated 5/12/2025 submitted by Assistant Labour Commissioner Guwahati, the particulars of which are not reflected in detail in the show cause notice. Stop. It is also the claim of the petitioner that the said report has not been served on the petitioner along with the show cause notice. Stop. And and therefore he was unable to file an effective reply. Stop. Accordingly, this court is of this opinion that the respondents will now serve a copy of the report of the Eastern Labour Commissioner Guwahati on the writ petitioner within 2 working days, and thereafter grant, and thereafter the petitioner will be permitted to file his representation, his representation, his reply to the show cause notice by granting adequate opportunity. Stop. Accordingly, this court considers it appropriate to extend the time for filing the show cause by further 2 weeks' time from today. Let this matter be listed again on 22nd of January. Copy of this order be marked to the office of the Standing Council, Legislative Assembly for onward communication.
Name of my senior may be shown.
Name of
Mr. A.K.
the respondent council, including Mr. A.K. Pinya.